Okay, room tour. It's really dark, so I hope that this comes out a bit clear. It's a really, really big suite. I love it. So we have an outside chill area here. And then this is our door. And when you walk in, all of our stuff is already there. It's a pretty big room. That is our bed where we sleep, obviously. And then we have a big mosquito net. Actually, mosquito repellent is very serious here. So they have it in the wall over here. And then we also have it above the bed. And then there's another little bed there. I assume that's for people who have children. And then we have a little chill area here, like a living room area. And then you get a fan in the room as well. I think this is mosquito repellent, but I'm not sure. Oh no, it's just a light. Cool. And then we have robes. And here we have a lovely full-size mirror. Oopsie, I'm stepping on the shoes. And the shoes in question are like shower shoes. And they stay in here. Then we have a pretty spacious shower. Another overhead shower head. But it's so cool. It's like brass. I don't know if you guys can see. And then we have our little basin. This is a cool tap. Ooh, Chelsea. How do you know when it's hot or cold? How do you turn it off? Yeah, see? Okay. And then we have a mirror. This is our water for brushing our teeth. And then we have our toilet behind the door. And that is our lovely room. We are stuck in a ditch of sorts, and we just saw a lion, so it's not looking good, bruv.
Let's get out and push. Yes, let's get out and push.
We're on a little break by Lake Albert. Hey, colonialism did a number on my people. All these names. Victoria White, Albert White. Anyway, it's been really interesting experiencing this with everybody. We've seen quite a lot of animals. We're just taking a break so that we can stretch our legs, and then we'll head back to the lodge, and hopefully we get to see another lion, because honestly that's my only ever dream, is just to see lions. Cool. So we got back from the safari, So elephants, giraffes, lions. Those are the only things I care about. And now we're gonna go on a boat cruise. It's so hot. My wig is sticking to me. So glad I'm not wearing makeup. But we are about to. We're really just waiting around, waiting for this boat to come, and then we're gonna get on and have. I think it's a 3-hour boat ride. We have all our alcohol here. We're gonna have some fun. Finished the yacht trip. It was really beautiful. The falls, they were smaller though, like they don't compare to Vic Falls or anything, like they were young, but it was nice, the boat ride, and it was really fun. And yeah, just because we were a big group, like it was a really good time, and we had some drinks, so it was a good way to kill about 3 hours. This thing is not focusing. And now we're gonna drive to the top of the falls so that we can see it from a different angle. And yeah, then night show. I actually can't wait to get back to the hotel. My body is crashing. But hopefully I can make it through the rest of the day. So we're gonna take a small walk to the top of the falls or whatever. They took a picture of me. I hope it's not a real hike because I don't have the shoes for the situation. But I can hear the falls and that's cute. Oh my gosh.